Hi, welcome to Rao. Today I'm going to show you how you can install this 10X2.5 solid tire on your electric scooter. This is a regular 10X2.5 tire with a polyester inside. Okay, you can see here. So, which scooter this tire fit? This tire fit electric scooter with 10-inch tire. For example, you have the size 10X3, 10X2.5, 255X80, 65.6 tire. So if your scooter have one of those size, and also if your rim is splitting like this model, when I say splitting, it means splitting like that, splitting into two parts like you can see here. Then this tire will fit your scooter. I'm gonna show you the installation. The installation is pretty simple. It's pretty easy because the tire come with a longer bolt. It come with those 6 longer bolts, so it will make your installation easy. It's pretty simple. You just need to take off the wheel ring from your motor, and then you put it inside the tire, and then you put the tire and the wheel ring back to the motor. It's pretty simple. Just make sure the bolt holes are lightened. Then you use the longer bolt here. Use all of them, all the 6 bolt. And then you tighten it. Let me tighten it. Yes. Using those bolts is easier because if you use your original bolt, you're gonna see that your original bolts are too short to reach the other part of the motor. So that is why you have to use the longer bolt first. And then you can use the original bolt, the original screw. So you just drive all the 6 bolts. Good. This one too. Good. And then the last one. Good. Now you can see here, if you look inside, you're gonna see that the 2 rims are joined together, are sourcing each other. So at this point now you can use the original bolt. So you just drive them out. And then you use the original bolt. You can see how long is the longer bolt and the original one. You can see how they look like. So you put this one away, and then you use the original one. Yeah, make sure it's pretty tight. So Good. You can do it one by one. Good. Now you can see how it is. Now your tire is installed. This is how you can install your 10X 2.5 solid tire on your scooter. If this video helped you, like and subscribe, and see you at the next video. Thank you and be blessed.